Is Zoom fatigue real? I know that everybody's using Zoom, and then my clients and other people ask me like, Anna, why do you choose to use Zoom for your live virtual events? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to give you the breakdown of why we use Zoom and how to debunk this myth about Zoom fatigue.
Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. My name is Ana Andrea, and I will be your host. In this channel, you will learn how to create momentum in your business by designing virtual events with automated communication. You will also find tutorials on digital marketing strategies and my favorite tools so that you can make a bigger impact in this world. Let's get started.
Okay, so let's start with the myth about Zoom fatigue. There is no such thing as Zoom fatigue. There's just boring meetings that are, unfortunately, inside of the Zoom environment. Okay, so if you don't want to create that kind of experience for your audience with your live event, then I'm going to tell you why we use Zoom and how to use it so that the irresistible experience is created and your audience has an exciting time and a transformational experience. Okay, because I've been asking some of my audience and some of my clients why they have this resistance towards Zoom. I'm going to tell you, when you're doing a live event, one of the advantages is that a live virtual event, I'm going to be specific there, but one of the advantages is that everybody already has a Zoom account, right? So if they already have a Zoom account, the resistance to use that to join your event is very minimum. But if we tell them to join another software or use something different or another platform or another app, people are more resistant. So we want to lower the resistance so that they join. The other beauty of Zoom is that you can turn on the cameras. I've attended transformational events that the camera is required. If you not turn on the camera, they ask you to leave because it's part of the experience, because you're going to honor everybody that's there with your presence, with your face. And also because there's this beautiful option that Zoom has, which are breakout rooms. Breakout rooms can be used for networking, for connecting with other attendees, with creating teams so that they can do the work of the assignments. You can use breakout rooms so that people share their experiences, so that they share their assignments, so that they can connect and actually feel like they are in an in-person event. Now I know, in-person events are uncanny. They are the best ever when they're done properly too. But we can't have that right now because there's so many countries of so many people that are being harassed with you know what, so that they can't travel. So the next best thing is using the tools that we have to create an experience similar or even more powerful. I don't know if you've attended the UPW by Tony Robbins, the virtual version. That was created by my mentors at Sage, Barry, and Blue. And trust me, all the people that attended and participated fully had a transformational experience, and there was no Zoom fatigue. There was just fatigue because events make you tired. In general, no matter if you go to an in-person event or a virtual event, you're always gonna get tired and drained because you gotta use your brain cells and you gotta use your time and focus into something specific. So that's why we use Zoom. We use Zoom because it's easy to access. The hosting is really good, like it's not gonna crash that fast. The experience with the breakout rooms is fantastic, and everybody has an account. Like I said, like it's a no-brainer. You can use also, and the most beautiful thing is the camera, because that way we can see each other, we can lock eyes, and we can connect because energy has no distance. Energy can travel through a screen, and that's why you can feel the good vibes in this channel. So subscribe If you want more videos like this, and if you want also more content, let me know what kind of topics you want me to talk about below in the comments regarding virtual events and automation, how to use communication effectively so that you can have an irresistible experience for your audience and for yourself and make more impact and more income. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Remember to subscribe with the bell, with the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Ana Andrea from the Irresistible Marketing Lab. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye.